G8, bigger than the G20. In fact, we are G28 now. We have 28 countries where we have some representation of Cosmic. Francisco is one of our representatives here in Mexico. We're very glad with that. We're moving to a more digital culture. It's an open culture. And Cosmic is a fully open method. Everything we think of, we produce, is free for everyone to use. And we appreciate it if you mention that it comes from Cosmic, but even that is not mandatory. Everything we think, we conceive, is open for everyone. You want to use that to benchmark what you're doing, to compare that to other ones. And there's an international organization, the ISBSG, International Software Benchmarking Standards Group, that's compiling this data and putting it to use anonymously. It's a not-for-profit organization, but the amount of Cosmic data is still, well, not as we want to have it. There's about 7,000–8,000 projects now in the ISBSG database, and a small 10% of it is Cosmic. So it would be really nice if some of you who are already using Cosmic, I hope you are, could share some data. We set up together with the ISBSG a small survey which you can put with some simple question, the basic project data, to submit it to ISBSG to increase the number. We got some questions whether that's safe for your data. Well, SurveyMonkey has an international reputation, so when the data is leaked to someone who's not entitled to, it's not good for their reputation. So I think it's safe. If you have doubts about that, you can always go to the ISBSG website and use the formal ISBSG process. And then you can send it to them by secure email, and then your data is safe. So if you want to use Cosmic in your company, how do you do that? Well, the best advice is to start small. Even IBM, at the first generation, started small, with a number of projects. If you think it's difficult to do it yourself, a little bit of advertisement for Francisco, get some help to build your model. This is the number of certified Cosmic professionals in Mexico. At least these were the figures of last week. There's already been a certification exam, and I think the number is now 71 or 72 professionals in Mexico who are certified in the Cosmic method. I think Mexico is now in our database third or fourth country, after Poland, India, and China, of course. It's a big country. So, one of the things we are also working on is early estimation. Because, well, this is a representation of how it goes with a lot of software projects. When they start, they say, well, it's about this big. And in the end, it's a huge project. And where did it go wrong? Well, a lot of people say it goes wrong during the project. But in my personal observation, cannot prove it, but in a lot of times it goes wrong in the beginning. With the wrong estimate. Deliberate. And there are some research initiatives which turn into, well, experimental things to analyze code, to see what's going on really on the in terms of Cosmic size. And last year we held a big survey amongst 300 something software estimation professionals worldwide, and they say, well, those kind of things you should use Cosmic for, because the Cosmic processes match the best from the methods we have today on how you build your software.